Hi friends, welcome back to the channel. This video will guide you on how to take a screenshot on Android. Taking a screenshot on Android device is quick and easy, and here are the most common methods you can use. So as you can see, I'm on my Android device. The first method to use is the physical button. You press and hold the power button. This is the power button, and press down the volume button, the two. You press it down at once to take a screenshot quickly. Alright, let's do it. So you hold the power button and the volume button for 1 to 2 seconds. As you can see, a screenshot has been taken. There will be a flash or animation on your screen, and you may hear a shutter sound, as you can see on the screen. So those screenshots will be saved automatically to your gallery or photo app in a folder called screenshots. Alright, another method you can use is the quick setting method. Some Android devices have a built-in screenshot button in the setting menu. So just swipe down from the top of your screen, as you can see, and in the quick setting method you can see the option for screenshots available there. You just tap on it quickly and a screenshot will be taken, also saved in your photo gallery in the folder called screenshot. Alright, the last method you can use is the Google Assistant. It's more like an hands-free method. You don't need to do anything on your phone. You just say to the Google Assistant, "Hey Google, take a screenshot," and the screenshot will be taken and saved on your phone. Alright, let's go to the photo or gallery to see the screenshot we have taken. To be in a folder called screenshots. As you can see, these are the screenshots that has been taken on this device. It's very easy, guys, very easy and straightforward, and that is it. I hope this video helped you. If it does, please like this video and subscribe to the channel. Bye guys, and see you in the next video.